Good morning, everyone. Today we will start a new topic, that is mail merge. This is the part of your unit digital documentation. So let's start this topic first. What the basic concept of this topic, that is advanced concept of the mail merge in the word processing, how we have to create a document, how we have to create a data source, how we just have to enter the data in the fields. We have just want to create the basic terms of the data, and then we have to merge the data, and then editing the document. After that, the last one is the printing of the document. So first of all, what is the basic meaning of the mail merge? It is used to create a series of the same document with the multiple addresses. Suppose if you just want to send a particular notice or any kind of the invitation to the multiple people, so you just have to create the only one document, and the address should be the different. Now, that time you have to use the mail merge option. For example, here you can see this is on the left hand side we are having the manual method. With the help of the manual method, you just have to send the letters individually to everyone, whereas with the help of the mail merge you can send the particular your letter to the number of people. Here the example is given. If your principal or class teacher wants to send a letter or a notice to your parents regarding any meeting or the function, obviously the matter of the letter will be the same, but the address will be the different for all the students, right? So that's why they have to use the kind of the mail merge option. Okay, so how we have to create it? First, the mail merge two documents are created. Here you can see we are having the different type of the two documents. First is the mail document, second is the data source. What is the mail document? Main document means on one with the common content is the main document or form letter, whereas the data source means which is holding the address list is called the data source, right? Main document the content of your letter, and data source means the address. Whatever the address you just have to put, that is known as the data source, right? Now how we have to create it? First of all, you just have to open your mail merge option. After that, from the open office, right? After that, you have to write down dear and then subject, because I just left here some spaces because we just have to enter the address over here, right? After that, you have to go to the tool tab. When you will click on the tool tab, this type of the dialog box will appear, and here you can see we are having the mail merge option. Click on this option. When you will click on this option, this type of the dialog box will appear. You can say the mail merge wizard will appear, right? This is the mail merge wizard pane. Here we are having the 8 options. First is the select starting document, then select document type, insert address, create solutions, then adjust layouts, editing documents, personalization document, save, right? So first we have to click on the first option, that is select starting document. After clicking on it, you can see here we have to click on the use a current document, or as per your requirement you can choose any one of the option from here, like create a new document, start from the existing document, start from a template, anything you can choose, right? But I'm taking my current document. So after selecting this option, you just have to click on the next option. Then when you will click on the next option, it will give you this type of the area where it will ask from you what type of the document do you want to create. Select document means which kind of the criteria actually you want to follow, letter or email message. Suppose I just want to select the letter, so click on it, and then the third, when you click on it, then this type of the area will appear, means you can say the third step, that is insert address block. Now we have to enter the address of the students, right? By default we are having that different templates over here. Okay, so here you can see we are having the so many options like first name, address line, city, state, telephone, private, titles, first name, whatever the values you want to select, you just have to click on here on the next option. Okay, as per your requirement you can choose any one of the, suppose I just want to select only a simple value, so we have to click on the customize option, and then you have to add the value. When you will click on the add option, then click on OK, then this type of the area will appear. Now you can write down your value like title, first name, last name, company name. After that, you just have to select on the different Now put your values over here. After that, click on OK option. When you will click on the OK option, it will just give you this type of the area. Now according to the template, we were having these all these options like title, first name, last name, company name, address line, right? So if you just want to select a few fields from here, you just have to select that particular field, and the rest field you can delete from this option, right? Here you can see we are having the delete option as well, so you can delete as per your requirement. Then click on the OK option again. Now you can see we are having here first name, address line, city, country, and mobile only. Okay, then here you can enter your data like this. You can see I am just putting data here, Waris, Kashipur, India, and the mobile number. And then click on new option because we just want to add the new value as well. And then you can see here the Isha, Kashipur, rest entries will be the same, only the name will be the different. And now you can see we are having total entry 2. And then click on again OK. And then you have to save this option. When you will press the OK button, it will save your file. Now you can write any name to your file, like here we can see I just put the name as the my data, and you can save your file. After that, when you will save this file and when you will just press the double click on it, this type of the area will appear where your file name will appear, and you can click on the OK button. Now after clicking on the OK button, now we just have to select the rest of the things. Here we are having the different field values. Enter your field values with the help of this arrow. Okay, and then here you can see we are having the different field values. As when you will just enter these values, your data will appear automatically, right? Click on the OK, and you can adjust your values with these key values, the arrows, right? And after that, you can see our template selected. Click on the OK option, and then after this, now you have to create solutions, right? So it means this document should contain a solution, means Mr., Miss, last name, first name, and whatever the values you want to select, you just have to write down over here and then click on the next option. After clicking on it, it will ask from you to adjust the layouts. Adjust layout means if you want to change the margin of your letter, or you any kind of the changes of your letter value, so you can adjust your layout from here. But if you don't want to do it, so leave this particular option. Then edit document. Edit document means if you just want to edit any value, means if you want to change the subject to the upper side and address to the below side, so according to your requirement you can edit your value. And after that you have to press the next option. The second last option is personalized document. Personalized document means if we just want to personalize, personalized document means if you just want to send your values according to your choice, or if you want to set the timings that this particular timing you want to send your value, so you have to choose a personalized document. Otherwise, the last option we are having is save, print, or send. So you have to click on it, or you can save your file directly, you can print it, or directly you can send this message through the email. So this is all about your mail merge. Please go through with the practical so that you can easily understand the whole topic. Thank you and have a nice day.